So game object in Unity game engine is a fundamental entity which is basically a building block to create any game entity in our game world. So if we want to create any player or any enemy, so we have to create game object first, which is like a building block, and after that we can attach component to it to give some behavior or any position or any functionality to that game object. And it is this game object is like a container which holds several components, because itself this is not sufficient to perform any action or any behavior of that particular game object. We have to attach the component to it. And yes, next is the component. So component is basically a feature, or you can say a behavior of game object which we can attach to game object, and after that that game object behave according to that. And we can attach many component to a single game object to perform a various kind of feature, or maybe we can use a different kind of character we can create according to that. Suppose we want to create a render sprite there, so we can attach the render sprite on there, or maybe we can attach a rigid body to it to give a gravity there, gravity and mass there, so that we can use the functionality of any physics. So we can use that. And also we can use like script there, so which is also a component. So we can attach a script, and we can detach there also, so we have a flexibility there. And next is the transform. So basically when we create any game object, so default component is always transform, because it provides the location of that game object in our game world. So it has basic feature like um, scale, rotation and position there. So that we can relocate and we can move there if we want to that. So we can change in transform value, so we can scale up, scale down using this transform, which is a basic feature of that game object. For example, we have a player, and we can give a location like origin to our game world like 000 xyz. And if we want to move there in x direction, we can change the value of x, so that we can move our player according to that.